What is going on? So, SEMA is finally done, and I have to say that it was completely worth the hype. There were so many things going on. I saw some celebrities, I saw some car people celebrities, I saw crazy builds. I was able to speak to some of the people that built their cars. I was taking pictures, video, and have technical discussions. So it really was like a playground for anybody that's into cars, whether they be stock or completely rebuilt. And they had autocross going on as well. So there was plenty for everybody. I literally could not capture everything, and I was there for a week. So that tells you that there is so much going on, and it was a great experience. I'm happy that I was able to go. So if you watched my last video, you know that my goal wasn't just to go there and take pretty pictures and video. I had the goal of learning and understanding new products and existing products in the realm of racing, motorsport, and things that I can use towards my project or things that you guys use for your projects. And let me say that I actually accomplished that goal. I have a lot of great content, some technical talks with some distributors and some designers, and even some engineers. And on top of that, I was able to discover new products or things that came out this year, along with things that are relatively new that we could possibly use in our daily lives and not just projects. So the next couple of weeks, I will be sharing everything that I've experienced, from technical discussions to project cars and everything else in between. So now is the time to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there's a lot of great content coming. Not only can you see my project and its progress, but you'll be able to apply those things to your project as well. So until the next time, stay tuned and thanks for watching.